So, hello, good morning and welcome to Huntington Beach. This is a Virginia boys and girls outing to this air show. My boy Terry McGregor is
Hello.
here.
Hello everybody, Rob's fans.
And Heather, all the way from Gloucester, as we'd say in England, but Gloucester, how do you say it in America? I don't know. Gloucester.
Exactly.
So, yeah, it's the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was named after, we named our Gloucester after your Gloucester in AD 2000, AD 203.
Right.
Yeah.
Look at all of
It kept the dukedom.
Kept the dukedom. So, let's take a little look around. Surfer dudes. Look at this. Family watchers, remember Uncle Bob used to have one looking just like this. Didn't realise how cool he was, look. Some Red Arrow swag. Oh, sorry, I'm in the way. We got our Red Arrow flags with some members of the circus, right? You're not a circus man. How have you become a circus man?
I've been a circus man.
You've been a circus
Sort of
man?
place, yeah.
Oh, right. There we go. Handing out flags with the Red Arrows. Looking forward to seeing them later. What was also very nice is before the air show started, everybody stood for the British national anthem, the Canadian national anthem, and of course the Star Spangled Banner. Very nice to see all the air show attendees paying respect to the various nations that are exhibiting here today.
Save our gracious Queen, long live our noble Queen, God save the Queen. Send her victorious, happy and glorious, long to reign over us. God save the Queen!
Great job there by Juliet Boland.
Did you ever
Originally now
think
from
you'd hear that
Montreal,
here?
and in the U.S. since 1999, Louise and Francois Theatre. Please welcome Louise and Francois Ross with the Canadian National Anthem.
Oh, Canada, our home and native land, too big to land. And the reason everybody's standing up is because we're about to be passed by the Royal Canadian Air Force Snowbirds. First of 3 teams here today, Snowbirds, followed by the Thunderbirds, and of course our very own homegrown Red Arrows will be here to end the show. So looking forward to that, and a beautiful day. There are apparently millions of people on this huge expanse of beach here at Huntington Beach.
Police, fire, EMS, Coast Guard, lifeguard. You keep us safe, and your actions do not go unnoticed. Thank you, the Snowbirds salute you.
Well done, first responders. What do you think of that? Yeah, let's give ourselves the first responder.
Now for a change of pace. Watch
Thank you,
straight
Snowbirds.
ahead as
Thank you, Snowbirds,
1, 2,
for
3, 6, and
that.
7.
Good old-fashioned synchro pair there.
It will now take me. Major one is now repositioning for his final attack. Joe Seeley.
To the world, the United States Air Force's F-35A Lightning II.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Red Arrows! It's been an amazing air show today. Thunderbirds have been through the A-10 F-35s, and this is the last and headline act of the Great Pacific Air Show, and the honour, of course, has gone to the best aerobatic display team on the planet. Sorry America, but this is it. The Red Arrows are here doing their stuff at Huntington Beach.
For the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team, the Red Arrows!